In a quiet village, hidden among the mountains of Papua New Guinea, lived a mother named Maria. She owned no car, no house made of bricks, no money in the bank. But she had one treasure, her only son. And for him, she gave her entire life. Maria woke up before the sun every day. With a bush knife in one hand and a bilong over her shoulder, she would walk into the garden with her little boy by her side. They dug cow, collected firewood, and planted taro. Her hands were full of blisters, but her heart was full of hope. She wanted one thing for her son: education. And so she sold her vegetables at the roadside market day after day just to earn 10 or 20 kina, enough for her son to go to school. She often went without food so that he could have lunch. She wore old clothes so he could wear a clean uniform. When others mocked her or asked why she struggled so much, she answered, "Mi like em by kamak man na no stop mi." Years passed. The boy grew up. He studied hard. One day, he received a letter. He was accepted to the University of Papua New Guinea. His mother cried tears of joy. She knelt in the soil, lifted her hands to the sky, and thanked God. All the pain, the hunger, and the sleepless nights had led to this moment.
Bye mama, luki miu sampla time.